Then refactoring is an important part of agile methods, but also to some extent in traditional method. The purpose of a refactoring is not to implement new functionality, but rather to simplify the code and design. Refactoring क्या है? रिफैक्टरिंग से हम लोग क्या करते हैं कि हम लोग कोड और डिज़ाइन को सिंप्लीफाई करते हैं। ठीक है, मतलब मतलब उसमें फंक्शनैलिटी तो सेम रहती है, बट उसके कोड को सिंप्लीफाई किया जाता है रिफैक्टरिंग की हेल्प से। इन जनरल देयर आर टू डिफरेंट सिचुएशन वेयर यू डू रिफैक्टरिंग as part of a story to simplify the code before and or after the implementation of the story's functionality, and architecture refactoring that are needed to implement a whole new set of features. In both cases, the two main problems are that a refactoring way may touch large parts of the code, and that the refactoring should be traceable and possible to undo. The latter means that there is the need for version control tool to keep track of the steps of each refactoring and make it possible to back out of a refactoring if it turns out that it does not work. The fact that refactoring tends to be global, possibly affecting large parts of the code, puts even greater strains on the continuous integration, since there are more possibilities of merge conflicts. The recommendation for successful application of continuous integration is to integrate very often to reduce the risk of or reduce the risk of merge conflicts. The same goes for refactoring, that should be split up into many small steps that are integrated immediately when they are done. If you need to refactor code to facilitate the ease of implementing a story, then this refactoring should be seen as a separate step and integrated separately. The same goes if you need to refactor after the implementation of the story. For the architectural refactoring, we need to split the refactoring up into smaller tasks such that there will be as little time as possible between integration to lower the risk or risk of merge conflicts. Larger refactoring should also be planned and analyzed for impact such that it is possible to coordinate the work to keep down the parallel work, or at least to make people aware of the fact that is going on.